Okay, let's try a real-life trigonometry example. Suppose a ramp is being built on the outside of a building. The ramp will rise at an angle of 4.8 degrees and will go up to a door that is 8 feet off the ground. How far from the door must the ramp begin? So what we have is, I'm not going to draw it necessarily to scale, but we have this long, gradual ramp. It's got to be 8 feet tall at the end, and we have an angle of 4.8 degrees. And we want to know what this length x is going to be. How long is this ramp going to have to be? Now, the first thing you think about is, think about it as a right triangle. Bang, it's a right triangle. And get your O, A, and H in there. This 8 feet is opposite the angle. This is the adjacent, and the hypotenuse is the actual length of the ramp that you would go along the top of the ramp. Well, the first thing is, think about the information that you have and the information that you want. We have this, and we want this. We have this, we want this. So what we're dealing with is we're dealing with O and A. And then you think, SOHCAHTOA, and you say the one with O and A is tangent. So you say the tangent, well, we know that the tangent of x is O over A. In this case, x is the angle of 4.8 degrees. The tangent of 4.8 degrees is 8 feet divided by x. Well, if we multiply both sides by x, then it's going to cancel out on the right, and we're going to have x times the tangent of 4.8 degrees is equal to 8. And if we divide both sides by the tangent of 4.8 degrees, we will end up getting that the number that we want, x, is 8 divided by the tangent of 4.8 degrees. And that should be in feet. And we break out a calculator. And how do we figure out what the tangent of 4.8 degrees is? There's tangent. And this is, on a fancy calculator, you hit tangent and then 4.8. So what do we want? We want 8 divided by parenthesis 4.8. On a simpler calculator like this one, you type in the angle first, then you hit tangent, close parenthesis. You can see 8 divided by that, and we get 95 feet. This ramp is going to have to be 95 feet long. Let's try that again. 8 divided by 4.8 tangent. Close it up. 95 feet indeed. So this ramp is going to be just under 100 feet long.